Hello, today is the 19th of November. Let's take a quick look at what the broad market is doing, and we will switch to Bitcoin right after that. So not much to say about the stocks right now. You see that we have this uptrend here. It's well defined. Just before the election, there was a spike in volatility, and we went down quite a bit and tested this ascending 50-day line, which is red right now. Then when Trump won, and obviously politics got off the way of the market, it jumped back in, and now it's back out. It's not a problem. It remains near the trend, and it can continue to grind upwards, maybe respecting this new line. It happens sometimes, but the problem is that right now volatility is quite elevated also, and it tries maybe to close this gap here, and it also coincides with basically absence of any constructive buy points. Of course, here you see best of the best, a lab, for example, dual, all doing good today. So the problem was that it was hard to buy, almost impossible to buy these names while also respecting risk. This was my last trade. At the end of the previous week, I traded DDOG for a quick 6% gain, and promptly get out. This one was buyable as well, but I decided to step aside today. Probably should have traded it again here. Yeah, so, and these are best of the best. You can see that there is still quite a lot of volatility and weakness in this market. So with that being said, let's jump to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is trying to break out right now as we speak. Another flag. Let's also take a quick look at my theory of cycle action in BTC. So we're looking at weeklies now. So what happened here is that when it broke out from this first consolidation, it ran up 1400%, and the next one resolved with 220%, and 220% is 84% lower than 1400%. So if you apply the same reduction to this one, it will tell you that you should expect the price to run up for 33%, and it roughly coincides with a level of 99, 98, something very close to 100,000, and it makes sense to me. But once again, fundamentals are changing, so we'll see how far it can go from here. A very interesting situation. Obviously, it's quite risky, because there is a possibility of something happening here which could push down the market. But right now, it's the most interesting thing I see, and it's the only position for me. Okay, I guess that's it. Let's be in touch.